Hi, thanks for looking at this video. Even though I'm twice the age and probably twice the weight of the average YouTuber, I'm going to try and use YouTube and try and use my own website to help you get more out of Basecamp. As you probably know if you're looking at this video, Basecamp is the software developed by Garmin to help plan routes, well, not to help, but to plan routes for sat-navs that we use on motorcycles, either BMW branded ones or Garmin's own ones. The first thing, obviously, is to make sure you've got the software on the computer. So if you bear with me, I'm going to turn the camera around and show you how to get it. Okay, so the first thing is just to open a file browser. I use Chrome and go to the Garmin website. Garmin.com, there we go, that'll do. It's not as easy to find on here as it used to be. The trick is to go to the support center, type Basecamp into the bar. You can see I've been practicing it. Go to software and then click on the installation one. This then gives you another link that you click, and then if you scroll through this page, finally you can download the version that you want. Downloading is really simple. It is just a case of click it, follow the instructions, and it will install. It takes a while because it's software, but that's fine. All you need to do is just get it on the computer, then you're good to go. Okay, so when you have Basecamp installed and you open it, the first thing that's important to understand, and I'm sure you probably know that if you've looked at it, is that there are no maps. You zoom in on a city, there's no detail. There is nothing there. That's because Basecamp uses the maps that are installed on your sat-nav, so you have to plug that in. And when that's plugged in, you'll see it appear in the top corner where it says Garmin devices, and there's one with the maps. Your other option is to install the maps directly on the computer. If you have a unit that has lifetime mapping, when you update the maps, you can choose also to update the maps on the computer. We'll cover that in a later video. But the key thing is to go and select a set of maps, and then suddenly you get all of the detail. So you see I selected the maps by going up to the top bar, clicking the maps down and going from the global map, which has no detail, to using the latest version. And that's that.